Hi guys, welcome to our daily market wrap. Today, November 12, 2020. So let's start with the PSEi. The PSEi closed at 7,024.26. Actually, down siya ng 11.22 points. Value turnover, ang laki, 27.77 billion. At merong net, let's look at it. The turnover at my net foreign buying na 1.99 billion pesos. So kung mapapansin nyo, pumapasok na yung mga foreigners. 2 days na more or less sa 3 days na yan, that's actually 3.87 billion pesos. So from 6,685 nung November 6, nag-end siya at 7,024. So ang bilis. So anyway, yung foreigners accounts for 50% ng PSE. So malaking factor talaga yung foreigners. So sa ngayon, check natin siya. Check natin yung chart. And let's add the Ichimoku cloud. So more on bullish pa rin naman ako. Actually, long-term bullish ako sa PSEi. You can just watch my previous videos regarding my long-term targets. Anyway, I just discuss it na lang. My long-term target is around 12,100 to 17,900. 12,100 is by using Elliott wave, and the 17,900 is by using the average of average growth during crisis. So, yun yung way ko ng pag-compute ng PSEi. So, I'm expecting it around 2029 to 2036. Kasi every 9 years, there is a crisis on an average. Ano ba? So anyway, very important din is to check on the price-earnings ratio. Kapag yung price-earnings ratio ng PSEi is nasa around 22 or more than 22, that's the time to risk off or to sell or get out of the market and wait for an attractive price. And around 8 PER, it's time to buy. Anyway, magkakaroon naman ng short selling sa PSE, so you can trade both market direction next year. So yeah, I think that's it. No, on the daily market drop, anyway, I'm expecting it to possibly fill this next gap of around the 7,000. Let's check on this. The coordinates 7,200 levels. So yun yung next possible resistance. And of course, the support na tinitingnan ko around the 6.8 area. Oh, meron actually pang gap. Nagkaroon pala siya ng gap during the last 2 days. Nagkaroon pala siya ng gap after the doji. And then small candle, and then nag-gap up. So, possibly, it could also fill this gap before it retests the 7,200 area. So, anyway, let's see. Possible catalyst for this week is the earnings. Yun pa rin naman earnings. And, aray. And possible additional more foreign investors coming into the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So, on that note, i-discuss natin ngayon ang MSCI rebalancing effective November 30. So, yun yung unahin natin before we go to the most actively traded stocks. So, yeah, I think that's it for today. hindi pa pala. Yung resistance, I mean the RSI is at 81 on a daily time frame. So I expect really a possible pullback tomorrow. So let's see how it goes for the PSEi. So next is let's check on the MSCI Global Standard Index. I-delete nila si Robinson's Land at ma-add siya sa MSCI Global Small Cap. So, na-downgrade siya from Global Standard Index to Small Cap. So, I expect a possible foreign risk-off to Robinson's Land. So, let's look at the Robinson's Land chart. So, I remember this. I think I remember this Robinson's Land. Parang na, what's it? Sa property, I think it's one of the stocks I'm looking at. Tingnan na. Yun nga. But I already turned neutral. And because of that, because na mada-downgrade siya, possibly, baka i-retest niya or tumuloy-tuloy pa siyang bumaba. So, I'm expecting a possibly this support area on the daily time frame. Possibly, itong cloud could also serve as actually support around this area. So, actually, gamitin na lang natin yan. So, more or less at that area. Wait, palitan natin yung style. White and there. So, ito yung tinitingnan ko na support area at around 14.5. So, currently, 55 ang RSI niya. So, I expect it pa to move lower. Though, mapapansin nyo, there is a foreign buying last 2 days. Pero yung pagka-out niya kasi sa pagka-downgrade niya kay MSCI, it's also a possible risk-off. So, abang-abang na lang sa mga gusto ng Robinson's Land Corporation. And the immediate resistance I'm looking at is at 17.03. May negative effect siya kasi madi-downgrade siya. But, syempre, as a company, same pa rin naman yung kanilang profits. Same expectation pa rin naman on top profit. So, a big drop could also be seen as an opportunity to buy. So, sa ngayon, nasa watch list. Kapag very heavy yung dump, that could possibly an opportunity to buy. So, ito yung more bearish ako. Tsaka mapapansin nyo, nagkaroon ng gap down. So, ang tinitingnan ko munang support is the 14.50 before the 13 pesos area. So, and a big drop could be a possible entry points. So, sa ngayon, it's on, more on neutral lang ako. Kasi more on bearish ako eh. So, ang bias ko is more on bearish. So, gamitin natin to. Markdown. So, more on bearish bias ako. Next is, anyway, that's effective November 30. So, next ang ma-add, just let me show you here the global recomposition effective November 30. So, check natin, Philippines is 1. So, Philippines. Ayun. And the other. Ayan, madidelete si Robinson's Land. So, next is, punta tayo sa MSCI Global Small Cap. So, ang ma-add is si Robinson's Land, madi-downgrade siya to small cap from global cap. So, si Philippines may 2 added securities and 1 deleted securities. So, ano na lang natin, i-find natin. So, ang ma-add, ito lang, actually ma-add lang si AC Energy kasi ito na-downgrade siya at madidelete yung Philippine Shell Petroleum Corporation. So, check natin tong si AC. I mean, ACEN. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ayun no, ang ganda ng chart niya. Yung flag niya, from here, bullish pa rin talaga. So, kung nakasabay ka, possibly, you gain more or less at this area, sa flag pa lang sa flag lang, at the flag. So, possibly, double your capital. At 2 pesos. Pero syempre, kung mas nakabili ka pa sa mas mababa, it's, of course, ROI is a lot higher. So, dito naman kay ACEN, magkakaroon na siya ng SRO at offer price or the SRO price at 2.37. So, I expect actually buy on pullback ako. So, SRO price is at ilagay lang natin siya. Parang tingin ko kailangan ko nang bumili ng mouse. So, etong coordinates na lang 2.37. Yan na yung final SRO price, stock rights offering price, but subject to regulatory approval. So, they're expecting it na ma-approve next month and makumpleto yung SRO first quarter next year. So, lagay natin itong 2.37, 2.37. So, show text, SRO price. Saan siya? Show text bottom or top. Magsa-center sa left. Yun. So, ito ay gawin din nating white. So, yun yung SRO price, 2.37. So, medyo malayo siya from the current price of 4.33. But I expect, sa akin, actually gusto ko sanang bumili. However, it's already approaching my overbought level. So, mag-aantay na lang ako ng pullback. So, yeah, of course, close to this. 2.37 na price. Mali yung spelling ko ng price. So, yun. So, I expect it to trade around there or, yeah, siguro at this area na rin close to 3 pesos or 2 point something, magte-test buy na ako dyan. Oh. Oh. So, sa dito na area, magte-test buy na ako dyan. Close to 3 pesos or lower than 3 pesos. Magte-test buy na ako dyan. And possibly, of course, dun sa close to SRO price. Possible targets or possible resistance, we can actually use, gagamitin ko na lang yung fib retracement. Oh, but I'll just, there. So, eto, normally, ikukunin mo yung pinakamataas and pinakamababa. So, ito yung pinaka-high niya. Wait lang, check ko lang. So, ito siya previously. So, I'm expecting it since trading na siya within the 1.618. Oh, hindi ko pala nadagdag yung 1. Trading na siya currently at, what's that? 1.618. So, magdagdag tayo ng 1.718. I mean, 786. So, this area. Mas mataas na din pala siya. So, where is the 2? 2.236. 618 na lang. Kasi ang 2.236, 318, ay 382. 382. Tanggalin lang natin tong iba. 2.618. $238 and 618. So, possibly close to 5 pesos ang next resistance. So, pwede pa namang mai-push. Ito, kasi umabot siya ng RSI na more than 80 84. Nasa 76 pa lang siya ngayon. So, on that note, posible nga siyang 5 pesos. So, ano yung nito? 618 And then, next 618 is So, yan na lang para walang background. And then, okay, and then 618, 786. So, check natin si 3. Saan si 3? $5.92. Normally, mga ginagamit ko lang is the 382, 618, and 716. Pag retrenchment, ginagamit ko 0.382. Pero pag pataas, ginagamit ko normally yung 318, 618, and 786, yung tatlo. So, I expect it to trade at 2.382 or around close to 5 pesos. So, yeah, let's see. So, antayin ko na lang siyang mag-pullback before I buy. But of course, long-term bullish siya. Actually, may na-share ako sa group about the different time frames ng easy energy. Oh, may ano pala. So, basahin ko na lang mamaya. So, ano na yun? Sa trading journal ko. If I'm not mistaken. So, ito ba siya na paste? Oh, I think hindi ko siya na paste dito. So, check natin dito sa corporate. Hindi ko ata na paste. Hindi ko na paste. So, I'll just, ano ba itong mga to? Calamity. So, ano na yan? I'll just add this up. Para makita nyo yung different time frames ng capital structure. Alam ko na forward ko eh. So, I'll just open my PowerPoint here. Oh, here. Oh. So, madami kasing maraming subscriptions na magaganap. So, syempre, madadilute yung there's equity dilution or stock dilution. Kasi lumalaki or dumarami yung shareholders. So, since ito, actually, hindi ko naman na natuloy ito, so dito natin siya lalagay. Medyo loading lang siya. So, i-delete ko na siya. So, kapag kasi na-add, syempre more demand from foreign investors, not just the foreign investors, but the overall investors in general. So, it's actually good for AC energy. Possible upside. So, ito yung capital structure ni AC energy. So, kung makikita nyo, stock rights offering sa first quarter ng 2021. So, ang SRO price is 2.37. So, I'm expecting a possible dump at that price. So, hopefully makapulot tayo sa 2.37 kung sakali man na bumaba. So, and then after nyan is magkakaroon ng subscription si GIC at 123 billion shares. So, medyo malaki. Kasi yung stock rights offering around 2.26 billion lang eh. This is indicative figures. Pwede siyang magbago. So, and then actually pwede ko din siyang antayin sa follow-on offering second or third quarter. So, mag-i-issue ulit sila ng shares, 2.25 billion shares. So, actually ang dami, FOO. And then another issuance again at 16 billion shares. Actually, same sila ng follow-on. Second quarter or third quarter ng 2021. And the last is the top-up placements. Kasi si GIC gusto niyang magkaroon ng 17.5% ownership. So, yeah, to make that happen, kailangan niyang magbenta si AC Energy international ng around 2.8 billion shares. So it's actually a secondary shares. So ang magiging outstanding shares after all of these subscriptions is 38.89 or 38.90 billion shares. So from, check natin. Yung current niya ngayon ay nasa 38.90 billion shares from its current ACEN. So, syempre, pag ganun, sobrang dilution yung magaganap pa. So, sana yun? Oh, I'm looking at the outstanding shares. So, currently, merong 13.69 billion outstanding shares to, actually, oh, it's not that. Oh, here. 38.89. So, 13.69. Check lang natin dito na lang. So, 38.90 divided by 13. What's that? 69. So, halos more than or close to 2 times. So, ang laki nung i-issue ni AC Energy na subscriptions, na shares. So, on that note, I'm really expecting it na bumaba siya. Kasi sa sobrang madadilute nga kasi. However, dilution naman, it's a two-way or actually even three-way to look at it. Kasi syempre, unang-una, ang dilution naman is for possibly for the improvement of the company or for future cash flows or future earnings of the company. So, syempre, since mas madami kayo, mas malaki naman yung possible earnings na within the future years or sa future. So, ang next possible scenario is, syempre, kung hindi nila ma-manage well yun, wala, yung net income is just the same. And the last is, posible pa rin namang malugi yung company or same lang siya. So, parang trading din. In trading, pwede kang malugi, kumita, or just break even. So, kahit na may dagdag kang capital from your own pocket or from other persons' funds. So, yun lang naman yung possible scenario. But for this, actually, maganda yung future ng energy. Kasi, I watched the what's next for the futures of renewable energy and ang ganda niya. So, renewable energy within or sa 2050 is 50% na siya ng current 6%. So, ang laki ng possible opportunity from close to 6% or average of around that to 50% ratio. So, kaya nagtitingin din kasi ako ng energy stocks. But for this, mag-aantay na lang muna ako ng pullback. So, ang dami kasing kaganapan So, maraming opportunities to enter AC Energy shares. Anyway, actually, we can actually compute it. Alam ko meron ako dito. Yung possible, gagamitin lang natin dito is yung sa outstanding shares, we need to update lang natin. So, where is that outstanding shares? Oh, sa AE. So, AE. Oh, wala ata ako nito. AE 34. Ba't AE 34? Kasi nga ito siya, AE 34. So, ito siya, yung current outstanding shares niya, di ba? So, tapos, madadagdagan ng, let's just compute it. Saan na yan? At here. So, madadagdagan siya, or magiging ano na lang siya, 38,895. So, babaguhin ko lang. 38,895. 38,895. 838. 838. 177. 177. So, yun na yung kanyang future na. Ayun na. At par na siya. After that, kasi kung hindi mangyayari yung offer shares na yon, mga subscription, medyo ano pa siya eh. Control C natin kasi 153 market cap, magiging 153.71 billion market cap na siya. After all this dilution effect. Pero kung hindi yan babaguhin, Control Y. So, yan siya. Ito pala yung average. Okay. Around 59 lang siya eh. From 59 billion market cap to Control Y. From 59, magiging 168 na siya, which is, for me, versus its competitors, na si Aboitiz Power and FGen, kasi si Aboitiz Power, 168 billion market cap eh. And si 168 and FGen is 159 billion market cap. So, magiging 168 siya after, which is equivalent or ka-level na niya si Aboitiz Power para is 202 billion market cap, and si FGen at 105. So, halos ka-close niya si Aboitiz Power. So, I'll just provide other details very soon kasi hindi ko alam kung ilan yung megawatts capacity ni Aboitiz Power. Kasi magiging halos same na sila. So, sa ngayon, medyo malaki yung possible effect eh. Though, ang ina-estimate ko naman na fair value nito is at, this is the average market cap divided by, check natin, kasi hindi na to magiging 13 eh. So, divided by the 38,895. 38,895. Para makita natin siya. 38,895, 838,177. Kasi ako actually gusto ko ding bumili nito. So, estimated fair value at 4 pesos or 3.95 at after all dilution effect this year. So, this year, this year. Hanggang 4th quarter this year. So, depende na lang sa timing. 4 pesos and it's currently trading at 4.33. So yeah, I think it will possibly medyo bumaba siya, close to SRO price. So let's see how it goes for AC Energy. So for now, yeah, actually bala kong bumili pero hinold ko muna kasi it's already at overbought territory. And hindi ko pa siya actually na-compute during that time. So I think na-share ko naman sa group that I will buy on pullback close to SRO price. So next possible na tayo? I think sa So, yun yung ma-add sa small cap. So, ang madi-delete is si SHLPH. Yeah, kasi nga, madi-delete siya kasi hindi naman siya ganun ka-profitable at the moment. Kasi nga, because of the COVID. So, tapos, madi-delete pa siya. So, let's look at the monthly time frame. Pero kung makikita nyo sa monthly, diba? Grabe yung chart. So, yeah, syempre, since ito at its lowest na, so talagang tatanggalin na nila. So, actually, on that note, more or less, hindi rin ganun kaganda yung performance ng MSCI na yun. Kasi, diba, nakasama din to. Ganun talaga. So, even fund managers, syempre, wala namang perfect. So, ang ginamit ko is the monthly time frame. Gusto ko na kasi makita yung bigger picture. So, normally, I just use daily, weekly, and the monthly. At saka, titignan mo, on the weekly, talagang bearish cloud. So, versus it, yung tinitignan ko is more on si Picor. And si Finex versus Shell, Picor and Finex, mas gusto ko si Picor. So, on the daily time frame, on that note, kasi matatanggal siya, I expect or more bearish ako. Kasi titingnan mo kahit yung cloud is bearish signal din siya. So, I expect it to retest this one. 14.55 possibly. So, tignan natin using this one, the fib, ang possible retracement at this area and here. But, yeah, palitan lang natin siya to reverse it. Check lang natin. So, possibly, that's actually, syempre, yung 1. Actually, pwede siyang mag-trade. Hindi ko sinama yung Hindi ko sinama yung 1.382. But I'm expecting baka maging lower pa siya at 13 pesos. So, yun ang expectation ko. For Shell, it's a no trade zone sa akin siya at the moment. Unless there is a short na siguro, so I can go short. But for now, neutral and no trade zone. So, next after nyan I think tapos na yung MSCI. After that, so, ang titignan natin next is Robinson's Land, and tapos na yan. The actively traded stocks. So, siguro tatlo lang doon. And it's okay na. And then i-discuss din natin si PHA. So, dito natin. So, si dito, GTCAP and MEG. So, yun lang i-discuss ko sa ngayon. Or maybe possibly dito, since tatlo lang, and ito. SMC at saka Robinson's Land. Si Robinson's Land na na natin, na-discuss na natin. So, possibly si JGS. So, si Tito, check natin. Actually, nakabenta ako at 7 pesos. Yung nabili ko nung nag-dump. Pero may existing dito shares pa rin ako after nun. Kasi instead na si AGI ang binili ko, bumili ako dito sa green na to. So, ito, sa level na to. Friday ba to? November 6? Friday. Tapos, pinost ko na siya at 7 pesos. So, after 2 days, na din naman siya sa opening neto. So, since very red siya, actually, halos same yung mangyayari kay dito to ACEN. Kasi mag-i-issue sila ng more shares. So, possibly I'm expecting it to trade within this area. So, 5.42 yung tinitignan ko na support area. At kung mapapansin nyo, there is a gap here. So, actually, meron pa rin naman ako nito. So, for long-term hold na yan. Normally, sa stock market, hindi ako masyadong nagtitrade. Hindi ako trader or hindi ako swing or scalp. More on long-term na ako dito. Kasi medyo maganda kasi yung volatility ng crypto and commodities. So, yun. Possibly, of course, it will fill this gap. The high of this is 6.18 area. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, the cloud is still bullish, and ito, yung RSI is also bullish. So, possibly there is a bullish divergence dito kay dito holdings. So, abang na lang dito sa area na to, sa 5.42 area and below. So, lagay na lang natin siya sa watch list. So, yun lang masasabi ko kay dito. So, ang immediate na resistance at 7 pesos and the support at 5.42 area. So, possible bullish divergence. Next is after dito ay si GTCAP. Nag-recover na din si GTCAP kasi nga pumapasok yung mga foreign investors. So, tingnan natin siya. Ang ganda Ganda Pero, nasa more than 80 RSI na siya. 83 actually. So, possibly it will correct. Tsaka, yun. Ang nagpa-add talaga sa kanya is the foreign investors. So, yun talagang nagpa-pull nag-push kay GTCAP. So, tingnan nyo naman kung foreign investors are coming in, ang laki ng upside. Laki ng ipupush. Kasi itong mga to, long-term naman to Long-term holder ang mga yan. So, naghahanap sila ng mas malaking ROI or return on their investment. So, let me just show you. I think, na-show ko naman to sa So, ito yung different performance year-to-date ng different assets. So, si PSEi down pa kasi siya. So, malaki pa yung possible upside. So, tingin ko kaya pumapasok na din sila dito sa Philippines. So, except, kasi sa US, Nasdaq, S&P, Dow Jones, laki na ng ang laki na ng in-up niya. So, actually, parang walang crisis na nangyari. Even kay Shanghai and Nikkei, it's already year-to-date green. So, kaya dito sila pumapasok sa mga hindi pa masyadong umaakyat. So, for this one, yeah, I expect it to possibly retest this area. Medyo more on magpo-pullback siya in my opinion. Because the next possible resistance na dito is the sa 600 area na yun. So, I think that's it. At saka ang ganda ng volume convergence with the upside of the price or the price action. So, check natin yung kung maglulong pa ako. However, dito kasi I just don't like yung ibang mga conglomerates niya kasi meron siyang bank, meron din siyang Toyota, and meron din siyang land. So, yeah, possibly antayin ko siya doon and with TP at 665 and stop loss at this area. Ito this one, around the 500 area. So, that's still a possible risk-reward ratio of 3.18. Posible pa akong kumita ng around 24.13%. So, anyway, pinapasok ko yung isang asset if the risk-reward ratio is at least 2. And of course, maganda yung possible gains. So, etong 24%, okay na din, pero hindi siya ganon ka-attractive in my opinion. So, antayin ko siya sa 534 kung sakali mang i-trade ko siya. Anyway, dun sa when it comes to cars, sa AC briefing kasi, for the cars, or kasi diba ang Ayala Corporation, meron din silang Honda and other industrials. So, sabi nila, yung levels of car sales, may hit lang nila yon after 5 years. The pre-COVID level. So, medyo matagal siya or medyo matagal yung recovery. But if you are willing to wait, yeah, okay naman din siya, yung 24%. Kasi year-to-date naman is actually down yung PSEi ng 15%. So, if you will manage to have at least a positive ROI, for me, you're more than good enough. Diba? At least nabit mo yung index. Normally, ganun yung ginagawa ko eh. So, kaya nilalagay ko yung mga year-to-date returns. Kasi ito yung comparison ko based on versus sa trades ko. Actual trades. So, next after nyan after GTCAP is, I think si Megworld. Actually, meron ako nito pero binenta ko na siya. So, yun lang. Si Megworld. Aside from that, meron din siya kasing share buybacks. Ayun, no? Nagkaroon siya ng doge, parang doji. And then, tumuloy-tuloy. And tingnan mo yung cloud kasi it's already signaling a possible bullish sign. So, ang tinitingnan ko dito is, of course, dito, yung previous resistance now becomes the support around 3.44. Next possible resistance, at dito ko siya titingnan, around this area, around 4.44. At saka, bullish cloud din siya, so I'm more positive or bullish. However, it's already approaching the overbought levels. Yung RSI, it depends kasi depends sa time frame naman kung saan mo siya titingnan. Kasi depende kung paano ka mag-trade din eh. So, kung long term ka, yeah, you can just hold it. So, depende kung gaano ka long term. So, normally ako pag long term, binase ko siya sa growth ng isang company, which is up to 3 years. So, yun yung sa akin yung long. Kung short naman, short time frame lang, scalp swing or day, normally is hours hours maximum today trades. So that's actually a possible risk reward 3.48. Posible akong kumita kung sakali ng 22.04%. Okay, kaso nabenta ko na siya eh. So yun ang kay Mega World. More on bullish bias ako sa kanya. So after niya, titingnan na natin yung mga ito lang, SMC at saka si GGS. So, SM, pullback. Siyempre, kung merong mang company, normally na tinitignan yung mga investors is the PSEi. And since si SM ang biggest market cap, edi siyempre, ito yung priority na lang tingnan. Kung mapapansin nyo, nagkaroon kasi dito mga locals yung bumili dyan yung mga malaking volume na yan. If I'm not mistaken, local investors. So, the resistance I'm currently looking at 1,100 area. So, kasi ang next nito, all-time high nito, check lang natin yung monthly chart ha. O, diba? Yan na yung ano niya, Tsaka nagkita mo on a monthly, nagkaroon siya ng bearish cloud. Possible bearish. So, pinaka all-time high niya at 1,000, close to 1,200. So, this is actually 1,142. So, since hindi naman ako masyadong malit na kasi yung possible upside sa akin. So, for me, it's a no trade zone. But however, kung kaya mong mag-scalp din, possibly may opportunity pa rin naman. Check natin ulit yung one day. Tinignan ko lang yung Ayun But on a daily, babagsak pa siya. So, bearish bias ako. Posible nang i-retest ang 1,000 area. So, neutral lang ako. Actually, it's no trade zone muna siya. So, watch out ako for possible support. So, after SM is si Chelsea. So, daily ba to? Yeah, daily. So, kung mapapansin nyo, bullish cloud pa rin naman siya. RSI, pababa. Actually, that's already a possible bearish. So, pataas. At yung RSI ay pababa. Pero yung cloud is suggesting or bullish pa rin naman siya. So, let's see. Ang tinitingnan kong support is, actually wala akong balak tignan to kasi may exposure na ako kay dito. So, ayoko magkaroon ng overexposure sa isang company. So, company or related company. They are somewhat related din naman. So, dito kay Chelsea, for Chelsea, I'm expecting it to fill this gap around this area, 5.28 area. So, worst case, I think. And, resistance, dito pa rin sa area na to. Around close to 7 pesos. I think it's just right na mag-pullback siya. Kasi yung direct ownership niya to Dito Telecom is, binenta na niya kay Dito. So, syempre, mababawasan yung possible expected earnings. So, valuation will also correct. So, antayin ko na lang siya sa possible 5 pesos or 5.23 area. So, and bearish, possible bearish divergence for me. So, 710 ang resistance area na tinitingnan ko and 5.23 area ang possible support. So, I think that's it muna. Kasi ang baba na nito. But, flat pala natin to. Kasi possible support area din to kung sakali. Oh. Di nga siya na ganun dito eh. So, worst case is for it to retest this area. Yan na yung worst case na i-retest niya tong area na to. Kung sakali mang basagin niya itong area na to. So, I think that's it for now. For Chelsea, no trade zone muna ako sa kanya. It's more bearish chart. So, after Chelsea is si JGS. So, dahil sa pagkatanggal ni Robinson's Land, possibly maapektuhan din si JG Summit. Ayun, no? Pababa na siya. So, merong convergence with the RSI. But the cloud still signaling more bullish. So, I think it's just a pullback that could possibly retest this previous resistance, now becomes the support, the 66 area. Kasi after nyan, ano na yun? Kasi after mag-breakout dyan sa 72 area, I think this is already the all-time high, the 82 pesos. Wait, let's just check on it. Oh, hindi pa naman. Hindi pa naman pala. So, yun na yung, however, yung konti na lang, oh, kasi 85 area on a monthly, eh. So, medyo konti na nga lang yung possible upside niya, in my opinion. So, for me, JGS is a no trade zone. So, it depends on, however, it depends on the trader. So, after that is, yeah, I think let's discuss PHA. Magkakaroon kasi siya ng new investor, which is si SquidPay. So, let's look at the higher time frame first, the monthly time frame. Kasi looking at this monthly time frame, and the price is at 0.355. Check natin to, ha. PHA. Magkakaroon kasi sila ng dagdag investors and backdoor listing. At na-purchase nila yung shares at what says 0.33 cents if I'm not mistaken. Ang binabasa ko. Yeah, 0.33 per share. So 33 cents per share, and it's just currently trading at 0.355. So for me, it's wait lang, check natin si SquidPay kasi naano ko siya. Tinignan ko siya actually. It's SquidPay. Tinignan ko siya actually. Kung magiging same siya as GCash at saka PayMaya, may future siya talaga. Actually, I find it attractive. Tsaka sa levels of dito pa lang sa chart niya. Diba? Parang it's a no-brainer. So, kasi ito siya. So, it's a electronic payments. So, kailangan lang niya ng marketing push para mas maraming gumamit and of course, more partnership. So, for me, it's more future revenue streams. At kahit tingnan natin yung PHA company financial reports, kasi currently hindi naman to kumikita eh. Tingnan na. O diba, year to date hindi naman siya kumikita, lugi din naman siya. Magkakaroon ng additional shares which is syempre may dilute, pero sabi ko nga dilution have 3 possible effects. Parang trading lang din. So pwedeng kumita, malugi, or break even. But with this, I think it will improve the earnings better. Kasi from net loss to possible income, in my opinion. Kaso kasi, gusto ko sanang tingnan yung FS nito sa SEC. Wala pala akong pera. Kasi pwede mo siyang i-view yung kanyang financial reports sa SEC SEC-I view. Kapag hindi listed yung isang company. So, I think that's it. For me, it's a buy. Titingnan ko siya bukas. Kung more on long term hold ako dito kung sakali. At kung makikita nyo, may accumulation dito na naganap po. Bumababa siya pero nagkakaroon ng dito sa volume na to. O, diba? Nagkakaroon ng volume. So, for that past months, 2019 to here. Diba? Kasi, check natin. Risk-reward ratio. O sige, sabihin na natin maging 0 siya. That's the worst case naman na price eh. Magsara siya. Magsara talaga eh. So, check natin yung coordinates. So, price. So, sige, gawin natin 0. Diba? And here, yan. O, diba? Possible 396.99%. On a conservative note. Kasi posible pa siya hanggang sa 3.69. So, anyway, let's calculate the book value per share. 1:1 lang siya. Let's compute the market cap post this subscription. So, check natin to From the outstanding shares of around 1.99 billion, medyo mabagal. So, close lang natin to. Ano pa? To tapos na rin. And squid tapos na din. So, antayin na lang natin siya na mag-load. Oh. Ito na lang. Yeah. So, dito ka na lang siya lalagay muna temporarily. PHA outstanding shares. Add sa sector na lang pala. Kasi ito, currently sa PHA is actually a holding firm. Oh, saan na ba yan? Here. Pero more on kasi payment siya eh. After this. Tignan mo, 1988 pa siya na-incorporate pero hindi pa siya kumikita. O, diba? Tignan mo naman. Kaya, for how many years, nasa dyan pa rin siya. So, kailangan niya talaga ng infusion of capital para mag-grow naman siya. So, anyway, let's look at this post-market cap after such infusion or subscription of capital. So, saan ko siya lalagay? So, dito na lang. PHA. So, ito yung kanyang PHA outstanding shares. PHA outstanding shares. So PHA outstanding shares is this post subscription. Post subscription. Kasi ang current outstanding shares nila is at close to or 1.99 billion shares. So tapos closing price what's that? 355. Ay, wala. Wait lang. Yan. Check natin yung kanyang numbers. So, estimated market cap. See? Times ito. So, that's 1.81 billion pesos. Estimated market cap. Para sa akin, it's still undervalued. Check natin. Kasi dito hindi na siya operating. I mean, operating siya pero nalulugi. Ang book value around 0.32 cents. Or 32 cents. So, tingin ko may possible upside talaga siya. Normally, sa mga ganito, sa mga payments, sa crypto kasi siya close to 50 million or $1 billion. So, versus crypto, same crypto projects. Similar crypto projects na payments. Normally, ang market cap nila, starting market cap lang kasi is 50 billion or $1 billion. So, estimate or ito na lang gagawin ko. Estimated fair value. Or, tinitingnan ko. Kaso, kailangan niyang mag-deliver ng 10 pesos. Kailangan niyang mag-deliver or magkaroon ng profitable income for that estimated fair value to be justifiable. Kasi itong estimated fair value using the market cap, pwede mo din naman siyang i-discount. So, yun, future holdings ko, possibly i-add ko siya as one of my future holdings. So, kasi currently, itong meron ako, medyo highly exposed na ako sa sa telco. So, possibly, i-rest off ko si Converge. Mag-rest off ako ng around 50%. So, eto siya. Kasi may property ako. And then, telco, dito is a holding. And that's at the same time, telco. Frutas, Holcim, Jollibee, sa kapatid ko pala yan, Max, Merrimart Now, and si Pizza. So, let's see. So, yun na lang ang i-add ko. Actually, plano ko sanang mag-add ng ACEN Yung pinagbentahan ko ng dito shares nung Wednesday. Pero possibly, hahatiin ko na lang siya to PHA at saka si ACEN. Kapag bumagsak si ACEN. So, let's see how it goes. Anyway, mahalagang paalala, trading and investing have risks. So, always trade cautiously. Thanks, guys.